Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Seasonal science questions get easy fast when you track the claim first, then test which choice actually strengthens that exact daylight hypothesis. The hypothesis says molting timing depends on seasonal daylight changes, not whether snow is already on the ground, because hares started changing coats even when ground conditions did not match. So the best support should compare places with big daylight shifts against places with almost no daylight shift, because stronger photoperiod changes should line up with more seasonal molting species. That points straight to the Arctic versus equator comparison, and if more seasonal molting species live where daylight varies more, option C fits best. Well done! Option C. Scan now. Trap rushing past signs. Rule, trust the given claim, then check which evidence directly supports daylight variation driving molting.